Okay, I just got this package from Warehouse Skateboards. It's small, so I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. So, yeah. I must say that was the quickest I've ever opened a box. Got paper. I got more paper. Got a pack of Bone Speed Cream, which I don't know why it's open. Speed Cream. Got my Bones Chris Ray's 54mm ATFs right there. Yeah. And I ordered a t-shirt, which I don't know why isn't here. I don't know. I ordered a t-shirt and it's not in here. Oh, well, I don't know. I'll have to email them and ask about that. So, yeah. Speed Cream. V4s. ATFs. So yeah, I'll have to find out what happened to my shirt. So, that's my unboxing.